guys, so this video is super exciting because I've been selected to review the Kitchen Collection Edition 2. I am really thankful, so thank you Honey's Handmade for choosing me because I think that's really awesome. I'm going to show you guys my shirt that they sent me. This is really cute. Traditional Southern African American food by Honey's Handmade. So I'm really digging this shirt and it's super cute. I'm going to show you guys all these products. There are 10 full-size products in here. And oh my gosh, I have not tried this brand before, so don't come for me. If you want me to review all these products in my hair, please like this video and leave me a comment down below letting me know which products you would like me to try. If you want me to try all of them, or if you would like me to do like a wash and go with these products, please let me know in the comments down below because I think they'll be really fun to do for a video, especially since I've never tried them before. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video and we're gonna unbox. Okay. So the first thing I am pulling out is the Melba's Light Beer and Ale Honey Lather hand-poured poo bar. So I'm guessing this is a shampoo bar. I've never used one before, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So I guess it has beer in it and honey. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm really excited to try this out. I'm really excited because I've never tried a shampoo bar before. I don't even know how to use it, so I'm gonna have to look up YouTube videos on how to use a shampoo bar. I'm just guessing you put it all on your head like that. I don't know, but I'm excited to see if this lathers or not in my hair and if it creates like bubbles. I hope it does because I really like bubbles in my hair. I don't know. So this is the Honey's Handmade Melba Sweet Pea and Spirulina. Sorry if I mispronounced that, you know. Low Poo Conditioning Co-Wash Cleanser. Ooh, okay, we're gonna do a little bit of unwrapping real quick because I didn't unwrap these. I opened the box already. I know, I suck. I was just so excited. I'm just gonna throw the wrap on the floor because who cares? I'll clean it up later. So, ooh, how to use separate soiled coils and apply ample to section hair. Massage into hair while cleansing with water. Rinse. It says stuffings is water, Castile soap, spirulina. I'm embarrassed. I can't pronounce that. Agave, eucalyptus, tea tree, olive butter, shea, and vitamin C. Ooh. Wow. I think it got on my nose. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a co-wash cleanser. I'm so excited to use this. It smells so freaking good. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is Melba's Lemonade and Cucumber Curl Revival Mist Refresher. Sulfate free, no mineral oil, no parabens, no petroleum. Made with real cucumber. Ooh, okay. Wait. Let's undo this. Hold on. I'm confused. It says it's a mist refresher, but it doesn't have a spray thing. So, I don't know about how I feel about that. Whoa, that smells good. That smells really good. This smells like lemongrass. And like, I wonder if that's an ingredient in here. Lemongrass, yeah. Cucumber, castor oil. It has protein in it. And I'm protein sensitive, so I don't know how this will work in my hair, but I'm definitely excited to try it. And I might go to like the dollar store and get a little spray thing so I can just put it in here because I'm not sure why this didn't come with a spray. It came with like that. So usually with a mist refresher, I feel like you would need to mist it. So that's okay. I will be still trying this out. Okay, so the next product is a hair serum. This is the Creamy Corn Silk Hair Serum. Okay, let's unravel it. I love how they packaged the items because it's just professional. They're keeping it classy, they're keeping it professional. Okay, oh my gosh, I love these applicator tips. They're amazing. Ooh, I got it on my nose. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. My mother nourished our souls with hearty recipes in our very own kitchen for many years before passing. The memories are still very fond to me. She used to shave corn off the cob and stew it in a pot with salt pork, and scallon onions. It was a true delight and one of my favorite dishes as a child. Aww. Yeah, this collection is made to honor her late mother. So I think this collection is just really special and it just means a lot. I'm really excited to try this. It says it has marshmallow root, horsetail, grapeseed. I heard grapeseed's really good for hair growth. Corn silk. I'm excited to try this out. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so next is the Melba's Butter Pecan Curl Defining Hair Butter, made with roasted peanuts and bakuri butter. Some of these ingredients I've never heard before, but let's smell it. It has a little thing right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells like food. I want to eat it low key. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. It has roasted pecan oil, bakuri butter, blossom honey, olive, beeswax, rice bran, Jamaican black castor oil, distilled Himalayan salt water. So this is a hair butter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Looks like this. Okay, so next is the Melba Sweet Potato and Turmeric Healthy Scalp Hair Mask. It says it promotes healthy hair growth. Ooh, so this is a deep conditioner. Organic sweet potato, turmeric, jojoba, emu, marah. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing these. I'm probably really embarrassing myself because I don't sound educated, but I've never heard of half these things before, so I'm really excited to like try them out in my hair, see if my hair likes them. Girl, you know what? This brand is gonna have me smelling like food. Like my hair is gonna be smelling so good. So it's yellow, and the consistency looks very thick. I mean, it's not coming out. It's not. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. So this is like a deep conditioner hair mask for the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth. So the next product, I'm just pulling these out randomly, no specific order. So this is the Melba's Omega-3 and Fatty Acid Shaft Deep Penetrating Hair Mask. Contains omega-3 and pistachio butter. Ooh, another hair mask. Okay, so I'm really glad it has this protective layering, so it keeps it clean, you know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this smells so freaking good. Wow. All of these so far, I'm like shook, and I haven't even used them on my hair. Like, it definitely seems like you're getting quality out of these products, and I'm not just saying that, honey. I keep it real. Ooh, it says there's cedarwood, rosemary, sesame, olive fruit, grapeseed, distilled water, omega-3, safflower, and pistachio butter, and rambois. Wow. This is so much fun. I love these products. I love these products. So next is the Melba's Hair Stuffing Decandent Daily Moisturizer. It says distilled H2O, aloe juice, sapote oil, castor oil, maru seaweed, and fragrance. I love when products barely have any ingredients in them and I can actually read all of them. It ensures that the products that I'm putting on my hair are high quality and that nothing's gonna happen to my hair. Okay. I'm a huge smeller. I smell everything, especially with hair products. The hair products have to smell good or I'm not using them. But this smells so good. Oh my gosh. This is the consistency. Ooh, she's thick. She's not coming out. So this is like a daily moisturizer leave-in conditioner type thing. Wow. I'm really excited to try this out, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so next is the coconut and apple curl glaze. Let's see. Ingredients: aloe gel, aloe juice, coconut butter, jojoba, apple seed oil, raw glycerin, and fragrance. And it says the gels are loose consistency, yet they're still effective. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, I'm excited to see what it smells like. Ooh, protective. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I can't. You know what? Honestly, I buy these products just because of the smell, and I'm not even playing with you. It smells just like apples. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So honestly, it says it's a light consistency, but it looks pretty thick to me. It is a glaze, it's not a gel. So it is going to be a little bit thinner, but it's not coming out. It's pretty thick. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm down to the last product. So this is the Melba's Detoxifying Buttermilk Stone Grit Scalp Scrub. Scalp scrub. It says how to use. You'll want to apply the scrub before using your shampoo and conditioner. Gently massage the exfoliating scrub onto your scalp, rinse it out completely, and follow up with the rest of your wash day routine. Okay, I've never heard of a scalp scrub before. It comes with this little device, this little tool. Okay, so we're gonna open her up. It definitely smells like apple cider vinegar. And it says it's made with unfiltered apple cider vinegar. So this is definitely very thick. So look, it's like this. It's literally like a sea salt scrub. So I'm not sure how that's going to work in my hair. I don't know if it dissolves or if the little scrub pieces are gonna get stuck in my hair. I don't know how it's gonna work. So I'm really excited, but also a little scared to try this out because I've never seen anything like it, but honestly, it looks kind of cool. I'm just gonna keep this little thing in it, and then I'm gonna close it up with it so I can remember to use that with it. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. This is definitely for your scalp to detoxify it and like get rid of any buildup that you have in your hair from the products you're using. So I don't know how many times a month you can use this. I'm thinking like twice a month, every other week. I'm not sure though because I haven't used it yet. So I'm excited to try this out. This is gonna be really interesting. So yeah, that's literally everything in the box. The last thing is just a thank you. Look how cute. It's a little thank you card and it shows the owner on it. Like I said in the beginning, if you want me to film a wash and go with these products, definitely thumb this video up and leave me a comment down below. And have you guys ever tried out Honey's handmade products? Like, let me know in the comments, like if you've never heard of them, if you've heard of them. Bye guys.